Now we've got our wire through, I'm going to join my game wire to the last of the transistor wires. So I've laid them next to each other. They've been tinned, so all I'm going to have to do is lean my soldering iron to it, and if necessary add a little bit more solder. There you go. So that's now soldered together. I'm going to tin the wire that's come out of this hole here because that hasn't been tinned yet. Heat it up. And a little bit of solder. So that's now tinned. Now the last thing to do is to add our battery snap. That's the battery snap. We're going to add the red wire to our red switch. We tinned our middle pole, so it's just a matter of resting on the wire, holding it in place. They've both been tinned. They should, as soon as they reach temperature, just solder together. No. Well, clean the tip of my soldering iron and try again. If the tip isn't clean, it stops the heat from transferring. There you go. So that's nice and tight. The last one is this wire to the wire that's come out of our game. So hold that on. Right, that's set. So now we have our battery snap to our switch. We've got our resistor attached to the switch. We've got our resistor attached to the red LED light, the red LED light to the green one, the green negative attached round to our transistor. The middle of the transistor is connected to our resistor, and the resistor comes through to our negative of our LED light and also to the wire that goes to our game. So once I plug in the battery, which I haven't got here, turn it around, you've then got, turn it on, and you can play your game. This can be bent to different shapes to make it more difficult for you to do the game without touching the wire.